my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I like to clean on an everyday basis. Yes, I clean every single day. So anytime that I do a clean with me video, I always get comments like, girl, why are you cleaning an already clean house? Or your house was never dirty to begin with. And I'm like, what? So is that what we're doing? We're waiting till our house gets a complete mess before we're cleaning it? And I'm like, no, boo, that's not how you do it, because you're just making the job harder for you later on. So what I like to do is I like to clean a little bit every single day. So whenever I do have the time to actually clean like I like to clean, then it's not overwhelming. So that is pretty much how I operate. Ever since I was a little girl, my grandma has always been like that. Anytime I would see her cleaning, I'd be like, but grandma, the house isn't dirty. And she was like, I clean it so it doesn't get dirty. So that's pretty much how I am. And I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I like to clean on an everyday basis and just how I go about that. And this video is also going to be a collaboration with Nadia, Style by Casanova, here on YouTube. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with her channel because she is absolutely amazing at what she does. So she does interior decorating, clean with me videos, and I love, love, love her channel. So she's also going to be doing a clean with me video that I will have linked below in the description box. So if you guys haven't checked her out, I highly, highly recommend that you do so. We recently got a chance to connect. She helped me with my shelves down in my living room, and I absolutely love the way that they turn out, and we have just grown a really beautiful friendship. I know that sounds super dramatic, but yeah, I really enjoy our friendship and chit-chatting and exchanging interior decorating and all of that. So yeah, I really, really love her channel, so be sure to go check her out. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and hop in. So on an everyday basis, I really just like to pick up and put anything back that's out of place and just kind of tidy up so that things look better around the house. So whatever I see that needs to be done, then I try to make my way to doing that. So there's not a specific routine that I do. I pretty much just like to tidy up so that things don't get overwhelming, like I was saying earlier. So yeah, these are the basic things that I do on an everyday basis. So I always like to make sure that I tidy up in the bedroom, because it seems to get a mess pretty quickly. So I always like to make the bed, because I feel like if the bed is made, then the room just looks cleaner overall. So that's something that I always do. And of course, just from getting ready in the morning, your bathroom can become a wreck easily. So I always like to pick up in this space, because if you don't, it really can, you know, get a mess as well. So I just like to clear off the counters. I like to keep the counters pretty clear. I don't like a whole bunch of junk on them. So I like to keep like my skincare on a little tray just to keep it organized. And I got those trays from Home Goods. Now I'm gonna move on to Uriah's room, and I had some of my stuff that I ordered from Sephora on his bed. So I put that away. And I'm just clearing everything off his bed, and I'm just gonna tidy up in here as well. Then after that, I like to go ahead and vacuum upstairs. So that's another thing that I like to do daily. I like to vacuum high traffic areas. So if you don't sweep or vacuum daily, you should definitely try it. You will notice that your home just looks a lot cleaner when there's not a ton of stuff on the floor, crumbs, or whatever the case may be. So yeah, after I vacuum, that's pretty much everything I do upstairs. It's a really quick tidy up, but it really makes all the difference. It just makes the house look much cleaner. So whenever I do have a chance to clean a little bit better at the end of the week, then it's not overwhelming. And after finishing upstairs, I go downstairs, and I like to straighten up in the living room, maybe just from the night before where we lounged on the couch and the pillows just need to be back fluffed and, you know, put back in their right places. And this literally takes a whole 60 seconds. It's just all about making things appear neater than what they are. So yeah, I just like to make everything look nice and neat. Then of course on a daily basis, I like to make sure that I'm giving Piglet fresh water and food. So that's what I'm doing now. And he's currently been using the Royal Canin dog food for over a year now. And at first I didn't think that we would notice a major difference in changing his dog food, but I immediately noticed that his coat looks much better. It doesn't look as dull and flaky. And I really just think it was time for him to have a new dog food, because the previous one he had been eating since he was about 1 or 2 years old, and now he's 7 going on 8. So it was definitely time for him to just get a new dog food because he's older, and now he obviously has different needs since he would be considered a senior dog. So I have definitely noticed the changes, and if you guys are interested in checking out the Royal Canin dog food and finding the best food for your fur baby, then I will have a link listed below. And another thing that I like to do daily is to wipe down the countertops. I also like to wipe down this little thing that Uriah stands in. I always get a lot of questions about it. It's actually called a kitchen helper, and I ordered it from Amazon. So I will link it below in the description box just in case you guys are interested in checking it out.
Don't call me, I don't wanna talk to you. I'm better off not talking to you. But why you trying to hold on, to hold on, to hold on? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need your hair, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go.
And since I was doing this after breakfast, I had a few dishes in the sink that needed to be put in the dishwasher. I didn't have a full load, but I will add to it whenever we have dinner. I also like to go ahead and wipe down this table because obviously since it's glass, it gets dirty really quickly. So I just like to wipe it down on a daily basis to get all the fingerprints and all of that off. And since this is definitely a high traffic area, I always like to try to vacuum in here daily. So that's pretty much everything for my daily, in quotations, my daily cleaning routine. It's really quick. I can normally do this in about 30 minutes or less, just depending on everything I have to do. But I definitely notice the difference when trying to clean daily. So I definitely recommend that you guys try to get into the swing of cleaning at least 15 minutes a day, just so that your house isn't overwhelmingly dirty whenever you do get a little extra time to really clean. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed my daily cleaning routine, and hopefully this helps you to be able to clean a little bit every day. So whenever you do have the time to actually clean, it's not overwhelming, because like I said at the beginning, that just makes the job harder for you, and we want to work smarter, not harder. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go check out Nadia's channel, and also be sure to check out the Royal Canin dog food, and I'll talk to you guys all in the next video. Bye!